What's up mga ka-setup Great? So ngayon meron kaming setup ng videoke. So nag-deliver kami dito sa Waling-Waling, Sampaguita Subdivision. So ito yung unit na dinala ko. Taan natin. I give it night to see through this pain. Till I run out of time, or it's hard to get through. Till the bird on the wire flies me back to you. I just go tonight. Alright guys, ganito po yung setup namin ngayon. One mic, and then may mic stand, tapos yung songbook stand, and then itong videoke. So Reyna 3C and Concert 602C yung amplifier, and then 32 inches na monitor. Tapos meron tayong disco ball light na may sariling switch. So sinetapan ko siya dito. Eto, ayan. So ayan po ang aming setup. So ito pong tent provide na po nung renter. So eto po, thank you po. Hanggang dito na lang. Peace, God bless. One never said